We are in Nike factory store, Binan, city of Binan, right? Where is this? Laguna? Laguna. Okay. Check to see what's inside and see what they got. All right. We in. How you doing? Hello. How you doing, boss? Wow. It's not like Santa Rosa, but smaller than Santa Rosa. Let's see what they have. Sale. All right. Let's go. Clothing is nice. Clothing is nice here. Clothing is nice. And it's like in a it's like in a pit stop where like they have like 20 restaurants and a Nike outlet just in the middle, randomly. Oh, Curry jersey. Come on. Let's go, Warriors. Beat the Rockets yesterday by 10. Jimmy Buckets. Steph Curry. Did you see that three-pointer? We got Giannis. Kevin Durant. Devin Booker. Oops. Nobody wants this shit. Fully stocked. Anthony Edwards. Shout out to AE. To get this one, bro. That's hard. Even though it's XL. 1,700 pesos, bro. 70% off. They don't like Steph Curry here, huh? I do. 25% off some J's. Reimagined Royal ones. They got the gold metallic joints. The mauves. This is interesting. It looks like a mid though. So yeah, it's a mid. Suede though, nice. Let's see what they got in the back. AJKOs. See what they got here. Okay. Shmam. See what they got against the wall. Not much. Not much. Zions, nothing really. Santa Rosa has a lot better selection. Binan not so much, but Santa Rosa a lot better selection. The ochre joints, ochres. These are interesting. More mid. Zoom Airs. Zoom Airs, very comfortable. The Zoom Air joints. Selection of shoes isn't that great. Go to Santa Rosa. They have way more shoes, way better selection, more clothes. And yes, it's way bigger. So yeah, I mean, this is a cool place for like, you know, if you're coming into Manila and you're just like, all right, let's go pit stop. They got a Nike here. It's all right. You know what I mean? But if you really like, if you're like a collector and want to have a better selection of shoes, go to Santa Rosa. Way better. Hello, everybody. This will conclude the second part. This is the second part of the Binan Nike factory store in Laguna. Didn't buy too much, but we will show you what we did buy, and we will go over the discounts and each item we purchased, and yes, we will do the final price and do the conversion as well. Hope everybody's having a great day. It is Thursday here, Thursday night. It's about like 8:30 p.m. at night, and yes, I think it is Wednesday over there around 11 p.m. So yeah, tough loss for the Warriors. Jimmy Butler, hope he gets back for game 3, and you know, it's kind of tough trying to win games with no Butler, no Pajemski. I heard he had some kind of illness. I don't know what's going on with him, but I didn't really get to watch the game. In the Philippines, you have to go through like a streaming site. So shout out to Verge for giving me that streaming site from the UK. Super choppy because, like, you know, the internet here isn't the greatest, and you know, I had to reset the modem. Finally, the Santa Rosa episode for the Nike factory store over there is now uploaded. It took about 5 hours to upload with the Wi-Fi issue. So yes, we'll show you every item that we got in the Nike factory store in Binan Laguna. Very smaller than the Santa Rosa store. I think out of the 3 outlets that we did go to, Binan was pretty much the smallest. Santa Rosa is the biggest. The second biggest store we went to was Balubad, Silang. And they didn't have a birthday month discount, but they did have a Cavite resident discount. So if you are a resident of Cavite,
birthday discount.
it's a birthday discount.
And if you're a resident in Cavite, there's also 50 discount, but you only have to choose one.
So okay, so there are in Balubad Nike Factory store, there are 2 discounts you can choose from if it is your birthday month, and if you are a resident of Silang, or I mean of a resident of Cavite, you also get 15% off. So you get to choose between one. You know, it's a good discount for residents of Cavite. If you go to the Balubad location of the Nike Factory store over there, you get a Cavite resident discount. So we will show you guys what we did get at the Binan location. So this Curry jersey, super fire. I don't know what kind of jersey this is. It is a dry fit XL, so it is a little tight on me, but since like I am in the Philippines, I did get a little skinnier, so this did fit very nicely. A little snug, but you know, I still fit it, thankfully. I didn't have to get a double XL because the XL was the biggest that they had. So this jersey did not come with any discount. I didn't, you know, since it was discounted at 70% off. So this one was original price of 5,995 pesos. It's about 6,000 pesos. So the discount was 4,200 pesos. The total price was 1,795 pesos, 70% off. So they couldn't really, they couldn't give a discount on this item. So 1,795 pesos, bruh. It's pretty much like $30, to be honest. $30 for this jersey, Curry jersey, man, came up on 3 Curry jerseys for less than, I think it's like 8,000 pesos. No, about 9,000 pesos. 37, that's 74 plus, what is this? 74 plus 1,795. So that's like a little bit more than 9,000 pesos for 3 jerseys, 3 Curry jerseys. You know, super fat discount on this jersey from 5,995 to 1,795. Crazy. This pair of shorts did not include a discount here. Oh no, it did. It did come with a discount. Member birthday sale. So she did get 15% off on these. Thank you to Rochi for having a birthday in April once again. These were 2XL Nike Club cargo shorts, you know, super fire. And these were a total of 1,865.75 pesos. So these were discounted from 2,595. So 1,695, pretty much a little bit less than the jersey, probably around like $25, $30, something like that. So super nice shorts. I got a lot of olive pairs that will match these shorts as well. So shout out to Rochi for the discount. And then they had a promotion there. Buy 2 shorts, get 1 free. This receipt came out to 4,290. So yeah, this pair of shorts was 2,895. Okay. And then yes. Okay. So 2,895 for these pair of shorts, which is pretty expensive, I must say. But you know, in order to get the promotion, you had to choose between like a select pair of shorts, and then these 3 were a part of it. So I already did the laundry already, and you know, took the tags off and all that. But double XL, Nike shorts with the, with pockets, back pocket, and regular pockets here. Super nice, soft material. 2008, 95. And then these two were 1,395 each. So this one, there's another pair of shorts for me. So I got a total of 3 pairs of shorts from Binan. So this was included. They had other colors as well. They had a gray pair, which I had already. So the tan pair, had to get the tan pair. And then for Rochi, she got these green pair of shorts, dry fit. These, I think these are trunks. So these are swimming trunks. That's why they're so short. Okay, that's why. Okay, so these were also $13.95. Got these for free, basically, because I bought the black pair and the tan pair, and then we got the green pair for free for Rochi. So total of 4,290. So 4,290 plus 1,865 plus 1,795. So the total amount for the 4 shorts and the jersey was 7,950.75. Pretty decent steals here as well. A lot of the stuff is kind of like close to retail, actually. If you're not a resident of Cavite, or if it's not your birthday month, it's kind of like retail pretty much. But the jersey itself with the 3 shorts made it pretty worth it. 7,900. It's about like $130, something like that, $140 for the jersey and the 4 pairs of shorts. So not so bad. Cavite Balubad. What is the name of the outlets again? So Cavite Balubad Hacienda Outlet, Nike Factory Store, episode coming up next. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And if you have, thank you very much. Please follow me on Instagram and TikTok at SubiKicks. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Much love, y'all. I'm out. Peace.